Dear students, today we will do reported speech or we can say narration. Sometimes it is called direct and indirect speech also. What we are talking directly is called direct speech. What I am telling you directly, that will be considered as a direct speech. If we have to tell that very direct thing later to someone else, what I told you or what I have said you or said you, that is called indirect speech. Clear? Now, how to do these things systematically? We write from left to right, and we should take steps. Steps of narration, we can say. These are steps of narration. Steps of narration. Or reported speech, or we can say direct or indirect speech. Then, here is written something. Statement is written here. That speech is given. And we have to make now indirect one. He said, I am doing my work. Then, first of all, from the very left, he said. Now, where there is comma and inverted commas are given, you see, we have to add conjunction. Clear? First, we have to change reporting verb. Here, object is not given. That's why no need to change reporting verb as it is. Next, to add conjunction, then where there will be commas and inverted commas are given, we have to put conjunction. If statement is positive one, then we have to put that. Next step is to change pronoun. Here, pronoun is given I. Here I is given. Now, how to change pronoun? Formula is given. See this. Subject, object, no change. First person, second person, third person. See this. Subject of reporting verb. This part is of reporting verb, left side. Clear? And this part is of reported speech, right side. Clear to you? Here, subject means this. Subject of reporting verb. And here object is not given. That is, if first person is given, then according to subject of reporting verb. Here I is given. I, my, me, we, our, us, they are considered first person. That's why we have to put that very first person by changing subject. Subject is he is given, then he. Next, present continuous is given, then we have to make past continuous to change tense. Why to change tense? What is the reason behind changing tense? Tense को हम क्यों बदल रहे हैं? Because reported speech is given in past. Second form is given. Because if the reporting verb is given in either present or in future, then we no need to change the tense. But if that is given in past, then we have to make sequence. For that sake, we have to change present into past. He was. Present continuous will be changed into past. He was doing. Now, I is here given, my is also given here. We have to change pronoun. If he is here, then it will be his. Work. In Hindi, I will tell you. हिंदी में बता देता हूँ मैं आपको, यदि कुछ समझ ना पा रहे हैं तो ये हमारा पास्ट में दिया हुआ इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ब. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू मेक पास्ट. इसीलिए हम इसका पास्ट में करना चाहते हैं. क्लियर? क्योंकि इनकी सीक्वेंस तभी बनेगी. यदि ये पास्ट में ना होता प्रेजेंट में होता, फॉर एग्जांपल ही सेज, या फिर फ्यूचर में होता ही विल से, देन नो नीड टू चेंज टेंस. Clear to you? Now see that steps. First step, this is taken, that is called second step. First step is not, that very important verb has not been changed because object is not given. If object is given, then said to will be changed into told. First step, then changing of pronoun. Second step, then fourth step, changing of tense. From left to right, we have to take steps one by one to ensure that there may no mistake at least. Clear to you? Next, Sia said to me. Sia. Now, object is given, then told me. Next step, this is first step to change reporting verb. This is here second step, third step, fourth step. Clear? Here first step is taken, then that. Second step, to change, to add conjunction. Then third step. Now, I is given here. First person is given, then according to subject, Sia is there, then here will be see. See. Here have is given, then had. Here third step is taken, here fourth step is taken, had. Clear? Present into past. Has, have is used in present. Clear? Used are in present, then that's why had will be there in past. Two doors. Clear? Now you will understand automatically if you take those very steps from left to right. Clear to you? These are some rules. However, starting we have to change reporting verb, but according to that very statement. If imperative is given, then instead of told, we have to use ordered, requested, sometimes asked. If interrogative is given, then asked. If any exclamatory is given, then exclaimed with wonder. Clear? Exclaimed with joy, like that. It depends on that very statement. To see the statement, we have to change the very reporting verb, that word, like told, asked, clear, exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sorrow, whichever condition is given. So this is the very introduction, or we can say introductory part of the reported speech. Clear? And we will do ahead many examples. This is just starting. Please do that and read the whole literature or concerned chapter of the reported speech which is given in your grammar book. That will work at least, and you have to understand on your own terms. If you can't understand in English, then tell me, I will repeat this very video in Hindi. Okay, thank you.